Hi superstars! Welcome legends! In this behind the scenes look, our goal is to determine the numerical value of this statement. 18 divided by 18 over 12, then times 12. First we do this multiplication. 18 over 12 times 12. We can easily cancel this 12 and this 12. So here we have this 18 only, and 18 divided by 18 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operation, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So we have to do this division first, then this multiplication. If you do this multiplication, then this division, it's wrong. So we have to do this division first. 18 divided by 18 over 12. To do this division, write down the 18, then change division to multiplication and flip this fraction to 12 over 18. And here again, we have times 12. Now we have this new problem. First we do this multiplication. We can easily cancel this 18 and this 18, which gives 12. And here again, we have times 12. So here we have this 12 times 12, which equals 144. And this is our final answer to this problem. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed today's video.